Right, it's not a bad spot. No still pond, so the mosquitoes aren't too thick. So for today's gastronomic adventure, you're going to need some bacon, not too fatty. Some fat's okay, but not the typical kind of American stuff that you fry crispy. Some black pepper. I'm going to try it with biscuit dough, because it's essentially the same. I'll talk about that a bit later. Sage, which I consider essential. Some onion, and I want gravy with it. That's it. Alright, so you can see I've made the biscuit dough up quite thick. Rolled it out after a fashion. You could make it a bit drier and then go for the rolling pin routine, use your water bottle or something, but I don't want to get that messy. I did it on the tin foil. Some sliced onion on top there, spread it out right over the entire thing. A little bit of black pepper. I think sage is essential. A bit of the bacon Roley Poley, but if you don't like to put sage in, then don't put it in. And then you put the bacon on, like that. Don't put it all up one end, spread it out. Alright, you can see I've started the Roley Poley process with the help of turning up the end of the tin foil. I had to start it off camera. I cannot juggle the camera and Roley the Poley at the same time. I've got dough all over the place. Over here, look, you can see that things are coming up to the boil here. I've got a couple of river rocks in the water there, and that way, if the cooking is terrible, you can always eat the rocks. Alright, you can see here the Roley is almost fully polied. I'm going to fold it up, not too tightly because it will expand, in the tin foil there to make a little tin foil Roley sausage shape, and then put it in on top of the river rocks and put the lid on and steam it. Bubbling away down there under the rock, look. So, I owe the inspiration for this one to my brother, Justin Butler, who's also got a channel, who I'm going to shamelessly plug. Blatant nepotism. But check it out, there's a couple of interesting videos on there. He's glider pilot. Did a review recently on a like a radar detector thingy, but anyway, check him out. And the other person, the other enabler, Billy Joe Denny, because he did a steam baking dish, a steam baked dish on his last episode, and that's inspired me to try it because I realise it's the one thing I haven't yet done in the Canteen Cup. So we'll see how it comes out. I may have to move out because I'm losing the light. It's late in the day. I'm a couple of miles in here. One of my subscribers asked me recently, don't I get afraid, scared in the bush, alone, in the woods? And of course the honest answer is yes. But only when I think there's somebody else about. There's some real creepy noises going on. There's something going on over there. I couldn't identify it, but I knew it wasn't a person. But yeah, the only time that I really seem to truly get worried is if I hear other humans in the woodland. At the moment, all we can hear is the frogs. They seem to get a little louder as the light has failed. Or starts to fail. So I'm just going to let this steam out, make tracks out of here, and then we'll do the taste test in somewhere a little more salubrious. Check this out. It's the crimson carpet. some well cooked river stones. Time for the unveiling. Oh, the light's kind of going a bit, but check that out. It smells fantastic. Bow, wow, wow, wow. There it is. Bacon Roley Poley. Bushcraft bacon Roley Poley with chicken gravy. Well, they call it chicken gravy. You can read the packet. No chickens were damaged in the making of this gravy. Now for the taste test. Well, I reckon this was quite literally just under the wire with the daylight there. I think I've just got the last of the daylight. Can you see that? I think you can. And I'm going to have a piece from here. Gravy on it. Difficult to show you without throwing it all on the floor. There's a nice bit of bacon there. It's absolutely knockout. This is great. Another very British thing. I think it kind of stems from wartime. Again, it's making something out of nothing, you know, just making a big deal of what you have in the cupboard. My grandmother would certainly have known what this is. So, to all my subscribers, to all you guys that leave your comments and give me the thumbs up, all my enablers, thanks very much, I appreciate it. Oh, look at that. You've got to try this. You can do it with biscuit dough. I've just proved it. I've never done it with biscuit dough before. Plenty of recipes on YouTube for bacon Roley Poley, now you know what it's called. But this was my version with what you could easily carry. Thanks to Billy Joe Denny. And thanks to Bro, Justin Butler. I'll see you in the next one.